Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have to share with you this essential purchase from Tracki. This is a personal GPS tracker. Now, as someone with a dog, the fear of her escaping is always present, and this tracker has given me so much peace of mind. It comes with everything you need so that the tracker really can serve a variety of purposes, but since I use it for my dog, I use the clip backing to clip it onto my dog's collar, and then I screw it shut, which gives me peace of mind that it's not going to fall off when she's using it. It also comes with a cover to keep it waterproof. Now, through the app, I really enjoy the feature that I can adjust how often it checks the location, so I can save battery. As I only really need the battery in case of emergency, or need to check it in case of emergency, I set the battery to where it checks every 8 hours, and my battery will last in a whole month before I have to charge it again. Now, keep in mind, you will need to purchase a monthly subscription to be able to use the GPS tracking, but I think it is worth it as it is a precise GPS tracking, which ensures you will be able to find it when you need to. Other ways you can use this tracker, which would be on your keychain. You can give it to your children so that you can track them when they're at school, or you can even put it in your vehicle in case it is stolen. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.